Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Shade and Shine. Hope you all are doing good, and if you are new to this channel then please do subscribe, and also please share this video with others, and please watch it till the end, and if you liked it please hit the like button. Today I have really a very special video for you all. It's special and as well as funny. It's a questionnaire video, and we have a set of questions. I am doing this video with my husband. We have a set of questions and both of us are going to answer, so you will get both of our version. One question, there is the same question both of us will answer. Some of the questions are really funny, some are personal. So yeah friends, hope you will like it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
So
Yeah.
we have this question paper. It has 10 questions. So each of us will be asking the same. We have the same questions for both of us.
So we'll read out the questions and both of us will answer it.
Yeah,
So
and
we will have our own version of answers.
yeah.
Right?
So and this is not previous, guys. This is extempo video. So we are just speaking.
And this is
whatever.
a raw. We are not going to cut anything.
Yeah, it's going to be in one go.
Yeah.
So whatever we say, you guys will see it. So the first question, what was your first impression when we first met? So
Positive answer.
let me go.
Yeah.
So guys, we got married 2 years ago. Now it's been 2 years and
Yes, and 4 months.
4 months, right? So I first met her at one of her relatives' place, and we had gone there with my parents and myself and one of my friends. So
He came later, I think.
yeah, he came later. So when I first saw her, she came into the room. She was a little frightened, I could tell, and
No, a little bit nervous, but can't have frightened.
it's natural to be nervous. And
Even you were also like this.
yeah, but I think there was your parents were not with you. You were just in your relative's house, so I can understand.
Mom was there, but she didn't came out with me. She came later.
Yeah, so I can understand you being nervous. So my first impression about her was that okay, so this is the girl with whom I have been exchanging messages, and we had calls before, but this is the first time we are seeing each other face to face. And what I took from that first meeting was that she is someone who is very calm and collected, because it's easy to panic in that situation when you have strangers in front of you, and you have the question of marriage been put in front
And
of
that
you.
was the first time for me, for you also. I
Yeah,
guess.
for me also. So there's a first impression that she is someone who is very calm and collected. So I thought that I should make the environment a bit easy for her and make her feel comfortable. So after some little talk between our parents and her relatives, we went down and we had our first conversation face to face in a restaurant. So yeah, that was it for me. So what was your first impression of myself?
Yes, I can say like I was a bit nervous when I came out, because that was the first time we met, right? And
Yeah.
first time I have faced that situation of marriage and seeing someone, some boy, guy. So I didn't make any such. I didn't at that moment when we were in our relatives' home. That time I didn't have any impression, or I didn't think much at that time, because I was really, my heart was pumping. But when we went outside to a restaurant with our cousins that day itself in the evening, so when we sat together and we spoke, so that time I felt, yeah, he is the guy. You are a person who is to your words, and the way you spoke to me, the way you tried to understand. So I felt, yeah, this is the guy. This is the guy. And also I like, the best part was you don't drink and smoke, because every girl has their own imagination, like what type of girl they want.
Yeah, because necessarily drinking and smoking doesn't make someone a bad person, right?
Yeah, that is true. But everyone has their own thinking in
Yeah,
mind,
everyone
right?
has a parameter.
Yeah,
Because
parameters. That's
even
what.
even I was bit afraid before marriage that if a girl.
Yeah, girls also can drink.
Yeah.
Drinking. I won't say it's a bad thing, but smoking, yeah, I am.
Yeah, health
against
wise
it.
it's the worst thing.
Yeah, health-wise it's the worst thing. But I wanted someone, because I also don't drink and smoke, so I wanted someone like me, and I felt, yeah, that was also a plus point. But that is not the only thing that I married you. But the thing is, I felt you were a nice person, so yeah, that was the first
Okay.
impression I had.
Okay.
Because at the first time you can't judge anyone, right? As you
Yeah.
keep speaking with that person, then you come to know, and as gradually you meet someone. So yeah, first impression was, yeah, you are a nice guy. I can start the conversation. We can start proceeding. So yeah.
Okay, nice. Okay, we're moving to the next question. Uh, One thing you love and one thing you hate about me. If I have to answer that, I love everything about you, and the most important thing for me is that you are very compassionate, not only towards people but also towards animals. Uh, Even if you see a video in YouTube or Facebook that someone has shared, or people being rude and cruel towards animals, uh, she is she has tears in her eyes, because I have seen it multiple times. A few days ago there was a widely circulated video when some people were trampling on a little kitten.
Those, you can't say people, they are like monster, they have some
Yeah.
evil spirit in them. How can, like, there was a video, if you search you can find now also in Facebook also, I think. I couldn't share that video. When I saw that, like, tears was rolling down my eyes. And those, they were dancing and they were stomping on that little kitten.
Yeah, I think.
That is really, they have evil spirit in them.
Yeah.
I can't say that they are people. They don't have heart. What
Yeah.
do you say?
Yeah, that's right. Those are not civilized people. Just because they have a smartphone and a data connection and access to Facebook, it doesn't mean that they are civilized people. If you can do something like that to an animal who can't speak his mind, who can't say how he's feeling, then
They're stepping in the kid and
Yeah,
they
you
were breaking
don't-
his bones.
Yeah, you don't deserve to be called a human if you do such thing. So that is one thing I
He
like.
was so serious.
Yeah, I because you feel very angry at those things when you see such things in Facebook or YouTube, because you can't do anything other than share that video and make people aware.
There should be judgment. There should be proper punishment.
What I say is that there are laws for killing people, and there should be laws for killing animals too. It's not that you will just be fined a 500 or 1000 rupees fine. There should be laws for killing
And
animals.
few days back we have seen one, I don't know which place it was, a person, he hanged a dog
Yeah,
and was killing for fun.
Yeah, there are many such videos. So
We have diverted the topic.
yeah, so
Okay.
that is the thing I love about you, that you are compassionate. And the one thing I hate about you, there is, it's very difficult for me to say that I hate anything about you, because I love everything about you. That's why I married you. But every person has something that he or she can improve. Myself being no exception. So what I would say that you take all the things to very seriously, and you take all things to your heart. And I would say that stresses stresses you out a lot, because in your work life also, if something doesn't goes according to you, it doesn't mean that it's the end of the world. So move on and let some little things be the way they are. You can't change everything according to your own will, so you have to take some things in your stride. So I think that is one thing you can change in you, and that will give you more peace of mind. So this is one thing
That is true. Peace of mind is within ourselves, right?
Yeah.
If we want to be peace, we can. It depends how we think.
Yeah,
It's true.
some people are happy with a 10,000 job, and some people are not having not happy even earning crores in a month. So that is the thing. A person goes to sleep and the way he sleeps is decided by how peaceful he is inside. So the kind of bed he is sleeping on, it doesn't matter. If he is even sleeping on a pile of rocks, he may sleep well if he is content and peaceful in his mind. But even if you are, sleeping in a, $1,000 mattress, it doesn't mean that you will sleep well and have good dreams. If you are not peaceful in your mind, then nothing can satisfy you.
This
So
kind of, I think, one tale my grandpa used to tell
okay,
during my childhood.
yeah. So
My take on what I love about
yeah.
you.
So now you have to tell what you love about me and what you hate.
Okay. I love about you is you love me and you support me in everything that I do. And yeah, there are some decision which I take wrong and you guide me in that, you correct me, you help me in taking the correct path and in taking decision you help me. So that is the thing I love about you. You support me in everything that I do, and apart from that, I love you the way you are.
And what do you hate about me?
Hate about it, there is no such thing that I hate about you. I think there are some, but I am not able to remember now.
So I think that would be something for part 2 of this video. If you guys want us to see fight,
Yeah, might be that time I remember.
if you guys want to see fight in the video and put call names, then please subscribe and put in the comments that yes, we want to see all you both of you guys spilling all your beans, and we want to see a bloodbath in the comments.
So that will come in the second part. If you want to watch, then please comment below.
Okay, so we're moving to the third question. One thing you want to change in me. So if I have
You
to
want to
say,
answer?
yeah.
Okay.
So if I am asked that what I want to change in you, there's no such thing that I would like to change in you, but I would like to say that if you do a task and you don't come out the winner, then it's okay, because you can't win everything in life. So the more you are accepting towards things, the more you are going to have a better life.
No one can be perfect.
Yeah, no one is perfect. So if you are not,
everyone has something special in themselves, right? They have to understand what's special.
yeah, that is the one thing I would like to change in you, that even if you are not the winner in everything, then start accepting it. And we should all know that we all have our limitations. We can't do everything, but we can get better at all the things.
Yes.
But even if you get better, there is always someone better than you in that field.
But I think we should never stop from being better.
Yeah, but if you find someone who is better than you in something,
we don't have to be disappointed.
yeah, you don't have to be disappointed. So that is one thing.
We have to take that as a positive thing.
Yeah.
I always think.
But currently, sometimes I see that you take that thing to your heart. You become sad, because that is what.
I will recover very soon, right?
Yeah, but you.
Yeah, that should not
that is the
happen.
thing.
Yeah.
That shouldn't happen, right?
Yeah.
You shouldn't get disappointed,
Okay.
because you can't be the winner in everything. God has made every creature for a
I'm
purpose.
happy with what I have. It's okay.
Yeah. So that is the one thing I want to change in you, and now it's your turn to answer.
What I want to change in you, stop biting your nails.
My nails have a special flavor, so I like them very much.
It's bad habit to bite your nails, by the way.
Okay, I can stop for today because there are no nails left to bite off. But yes, this is a bad habit. I have been trying to kick it for some time now, but I don't know. It has been sticking with me since my childhood. And I am saving some money on nail cutters. Right?
We have nail cutters, by the way. You can use that.
Yeah, we have nail cutters, but those are the things that you can't find when you need them.
That's true. Today I couldn't cut my nails. I was searching for it. I don't know where we can.
I think you should also start, biting your nails.
You can help me. You can be my nail cutter. Will you be?
Today my quota is full for today. I have had enough nails for one day now. Okay, moving on to the next question. What is the fourth question? Yeah. One dress you would like to see me wear. I would like to see you in your bridal dress once more.
Oh, then let's get married the next year. Next year, let's get married.
Yeah, that
on
will
our
have,
anniversary?
sure we can do that, but I will have to ask my parents again for the permission.
Parents? Why?
Yeah, because we have to go through the whole process
Oh,
again.
you want the same process?
Yeah, and
Okay then.
yeah,
Then I will go to my home and we can start the same process once again.
yeah, you
We can
better.
experience that.
Yeah, again, we want the whole experience.
Okay.
Okay, and you dance
I
concert?
I would love to see you in swimming suit.
Okay.
And I want to tell why. Because a few months ago I was going for a swimming class. I learned swimming. So that time even I want him to go with me to learn swimming, but he didn't. He didn't agree.
You know, the first thing is I know how to swim, and the second thing is
But you have never shown me. I want you to. I want to see you swimming.
uh,
Do you know all the style? You know, don't know, right?
I know
Freestyle,
how not to
that.
drown.
But you have not shown me. I want to see you swimming. So I want to see you in a swimming suit.
Okay. There's lots of time for it.
Why didn't go with me then?
I see, guys. I went with her to those swimming classes. When she was swimming, I was looking over her bag. all
That's
her
okay. There
belongings.
was a locker room, right?
But
We
those
can
lockers
keep-
didn't have any locks,
That's okay.
and there were kids roaming all over the place.
Yeah, there were kids.
They were looking into all of the bags. Even one of the kids tried to pull away my bag of biscuits.
Even I saw one kid, he was throwing bottles in the pool.
Yeah, yeah. There are some, very dangerous kids roaming there.
Mischievous.
Yeah. So that's why I didn't, join you in the pool, because we had to, guard our bag, and I was studying Python all that time.
Yes, yes.
I was not sitting idle. I had my book with me. I had my laptop with me. I had an online editor. So I was learning Python. The times you were swimming in the pool, I was taking an
I
online
think
class.
during that time you have completed half of the book, right?
Yeah, I got a book, and about 40 to 50% of the book I managed to complete when she was swimming. So that time was not wasted, guys. Yeah. Okay.
What is the fifth question?
The fifth
Sixth?
question is one thing that I cook great. What do you think?
Okay. I think the first thing that you cook great is bangan ka bharta.
Yeah, that's my specialty.
And secondly also I'd like to mention the palak dishes. Whatever you cook with palak, like palak paneer, palak chicken, like saag chicken. So all those I love to eat.
Thank you. And if you ask me what you cook great, then it will have to be the veg biryani. And
Which I cook very rare.
yeah, actually we don't get time to spend so much time in the kitchen,
In
right?
kitchen,
We
yeah.
both have been working very, long hours during this lockdown period. The work pressure has already, gone through the roof for both of us. So it's like that. We have been, eating a lot of, ready-to-eat meals like, oats and boiled eggs. All those things are going on. So once the work pressure goes a little low, I like to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. I like cooking. So
I don't like cooking much. But yeah, sometimes we both cook together.
yeah, sometimes we,
But I don't like kitchen work.
because cooking is something that relaxes you.
That's true.
It may not be true for everybody, but it helps.
Yeah, because everyone relaxation is different. Someone likes to paint, someone relax by cooking.
Yeah, that's right.
Hmm.
But you have to really love something so that you can create magic in it. So that's how I create my bangan paratha.
Really, this yum friends, I have to tell you.
Maybe someday I can do a video on it. Right?
Yeah, true. We can. But they don't taste same, right? When my family will cook, my YouTube family, they don't taste same. They have to taste yours to get to know how you cook.
Yeah, but I can share my recipe.
Yeah, you can. Even I don't know how you do that.
Okay.
I will
The
get
next
to
question
know it.
is, if you can't speak to me for one day, how will you communicate?
Who will go first? Me?
Yeah.
Okay. I will communicate by hugs, and also I may, if I want to eat something, then I will write it down, and also by a sign. If I want to drink water, I'll show. So yeah, that way I'll communicate.
Okay, what I will do is that I will just lie down in the bed for the whole day, and I will just record all my requirements
But that way also you are speaking, right? You
Yeah,
don't.
I am speaking, but I am not speaking to you. I am speaking
Is
to
it?
my
I was
phone.
thinking we can't move our lips. We can't move lips.
Your
Or we
question
can-
says if you can't speak to me, right?
Okay.
You can speak, but not to me.
So what you gonna do? You gonna
I am going to
record?
record all my things. I will just speak to my phone. I will address my phone,
Okay.
and I will just say I am feeling hungry. Can someone feed me? And I will send that recording to you over WhatsApp.
Okay.
So that is the way I will communicate.
Then how will I reply?
It's up to you. I am not sure how will you handle. Coming to question number 7. One person you are envious in this world.
Envious, there is not a single person I'm envious of, because everyone has different quality, right? Someone's living style is good, healthy living style, someone way of communication I like, and someone's the positive way they think. So there is not a single person. I want all those qualities of all those different persons. So add together I can say the name of a single person.
Okay. So if I have to name one person I'm envious of, I will have to answer it in a different manner. Friends, my father got operated recently, 1 month back, and although it was not a very serious operation, we all were worried, but we were not able to travel back to my home city due to the lockdown. Yeah, but I was very worried because he has been not keeping well for some time now, and I was not able to be with him at this time when he needed me the most. Because when I was helpless, a little child, he was always there for me. I remember that where we lived earlier, that road was not very good. When it rained, it used to become a very muddy patch. So I had to get to my school, and we didn't have any vehicle at that time. So the only way was to walk. So that road was muddy, and since I was very little, I was not expert, so that I could jump through the rocks and cross that road. So
Which class you were?
I was very little, I think first or second. So my father used to put me on his shoulders and take me to school that way. There were other kids who had vehicles. Their father used to take them in scooters or their cars. At that time I was angry because we didn't have any vehicle. I questioned my father and my mother that if others can have my car, others can have their cars and vehicles, have their scooters and bikes.
You didn't
Well,
tell me about it.
yeah, this is
Okay.
yeah. So why can't we have? But at that time I didn't realize that I was riding on the shoulders of my father, and those people were only riding the cars, right? So I was the luckiest one, but that didn't stop him from taking me to school and giving me the education. So, but at this time when he needed me, I could not be there.
That's okay. You or we didn't do it purposefully.
Yeah, that's right.
The situation was.
Yeah.
Don't feel.
I'm not, I understand that you couldn't have gone there,
Yeah.
but I would say that fate didn't allow me to go there. So it is fate. So, but my brother was with my father this whole time. So he was lucky enough that he was able to be with his father when he was, sick and weak. So I envy my brother at this time because he was able to do the duty of a son, and I couldn't be there. Although I was, asking about how he is doing and how the operation went and his recovery over phone, but that is not the same thing.
But I would say all this situation does not come. Everyone stay healthy.
Yeah, I also hope so. But for me at least, if a son is not able to be of help to his father and mother when they are getting old and they need some assistance, because old age is like second childhood, right? They need physical and also mental support. So at this time I couldn't be with them, so this is something that bothers me a lot. And yeah, so I envy my brother at this point. It's not in a bad way. I just hope that someday I can also so give some happiness to my parents.
There are a lot of like videos that are coming out, right? Old age home and the other day we saw a video. Let's not divert the topic.
Yeah, right. So now, okay, that question is gone now. Question 8 is one regret in life. Okay, so if you ask me, yeah,
Okay.
if you ask me what is my regret in life, I have only one regret, that I wanted to join the army very badly. So
Even I think cricket, you want to play cricket?
yeah, but cricket is
Secondary.
yeah secondary when you compare something like joining the army and serving the country.
Because you played well, I heard.
Yeah, I used to play well. At least there were some people who used to when I was in 9th and 10th standard, people used to hire me to play for their clubs.
Oh.
Yeah. There were tennis ball night cricket going on at that time during the winters, November and December. So boys could come to our house and try to convince my mother to let me go for 1 or 2 nights so that I can play for their teams. So nonetheless, I wanted to join army very badly, and after 10th and 12th I tried, and also once I cleared the written exam for NDA, and there was a call letter for the physical, but my mother didn't let me go because she was very worried, and that is something has been with me since then, that I couldn't join the army. But that is a regret, and but I have also come to realize that there are other ways of serving your country, not on the battlefront only, but when there are people you hear about them every day, every other day, that people are laying down their lives fighting the terrorists and all those other countries, the mercenaries who were sent from other countries, they are fighting and giving up their lives. I think none of us should take our country for granted. We know those brave souls are laying down their life just for you and me.
Yes.
And everyone has a duty, and there are people who question the army. Those people are dying for you, man. Come on. Okay, so there is one regret. So now it's your turn to answer. Yeah.
I thought you were moving to the next question.
I remember.
Okay. Regret. I think previous might be I have some regret which I don't remember right now. The regret that I currently have is due to lockdown. I'm not able to complete.
Hope you don't regret having me in this video, right?
Huh?
Hope you don't regret having me in this video, right?
No, I love to have you in my video, and my YouTube family, they love to see you in my video. Even I had lot of comments in my Instagram. They used to DM me that make video with your husband, because most of them like my celebration birthday celebration video.
Yeah, that was nice.
So my regret is that I'm not able to complete MBA currently.
Yeah, you can.
But I will do it.
Yeah. Okay. So okay. Let's move to the next question. Next question is I would say next and final question, and that is one person you look up to.
I look up to my parents.
Yeah, I also look up to my father a lot, and also my mother. I said father first because although me and my father don't speak too much, this is something very funny. When I call my father, the call will hardly go for around 15.
I think that happens with all boys. I think
I'm not sure.
Because I heard other saying my friend's husband. Yeah. So they also used to hardly spend 2 to 3 minutes.
Yeah, I don't even get into the minute category. My call with the father just goes on for 15 to 20 seconds. But I always feel that he has kind of he kind of needs my constant presence to feel that his life has got some meaning even now. Because for example, he is retired and he doesn't have much to do right now, correct? And he also is not keeping very well, because it's all seems so strange to me. Because when I was a child, I thought my father was the strongest person in the world, right? He could do no wrong, and he knew everything. but gradually when you start growing, you start to see that yeah, your father is also a person. He also has his weaknesses. He may also get sick. You get worried for him. So guys, please take care of your parents while you still can.
Yes.
And the ones who are lucky, who are staying with your parents, you should cherish every moment of it, because not everyone has that opportunity to go back to his home after you know after a tireless works in your office. You go back to your home, to your mother and father. You get to talk to them. You get to see them every day.
And you are the lucky one.
Yeah, you guys are really lucky.
And also people say we have not seen God, right? And even we have read during our school books, God is the creator. So who is our creator? I think that
Yeah.
way. Who is our creator? Our parents, right? So they are God to us.
Yeah, because this thing makes much more sense, because currently the situation, everyone is in lockdown and people are worried about their health. Please take care of your parents, no matter what age they are. They will be always your parents. Even if you have grown up, even if you are successful in your life, please understand and remember that they were the ones who brought you in this world, and you have a credit to them that can never be fulfilled. Whatever you do, it won't be ever enough. So sometimes it happens that you get pissed with your parents, because
It
they are
happens
also
with everyone. We all are human.
they are also person. They can make mistakes,
Yes.
but
we need to know how to handle it.
yeah, because we see the world in a different way than they do.
They do, yeah.
So, but we need to have the utmost respect for them, and yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Stay safe, everyone.
Yeah.
So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and if you want to watch the second Q&A video, and if you want my husband to be here and doing the Q&A, both of us, so please comment below.
We'd love
You
to
can
hear.
even,
We'd love to hear what you think about our conversation.
yeah. And if you have any questions that you want us to put here, you want us to answer, then you can comment below, or you can DM me. My Instagram handle, I'll mention it over here. So yeah, you can directly DM me there.
Yeah,
And
it was
please do
very
follow.
nice to share our thoughts with you. I
Yeah.
hope you like it, and please tell us how you feel. In the comment section. She will surely go through them and get back to you.
Yeah.
And if you want to see the part 2 of this video, then please let us know. So till then, it's bye bye and take care.
Bye.